I saw this in that.
Okay, so for the vascular system, would include the heart, blood vessels. We don't have, may lymphatic ba kayo? Lymphatic. Meron, wala. So, this slide is 05. It shows you the artery and the vein. So, here you would identify readily the artery. This is the vein. The artery and the vein would be divided into 3 layers. We have the intima media and the adventitia. So the adventitia would be the one that surrounds, okay, the muscular wall containing the blood vessels, smaller blood vessels, the vasa vasorum, and the nerves, the nervi nervorum. And then you have the thicker layer of the tunica media containing mainly of smooth muscle. For muscular arteries, we would have the presence of elastic fibers. It intersperse between the smooth muscle, but we won't be able to appreciate them because they are similar in staining with the smooth muscle. And then we have the lining of the tunica media, of the tunica intima, that is symposquamous. And this is what we call as the endothelium. The same goes with the vein. Okay? They appear to be thinner, but they have a larger lumen, bigger size. They are responsible for bringing in 2/3 of the volume. Okay, so the venous system would contain 2/3 of the blood volume. That's why they are very big.